A solar iBoost Plus is installed next to the hot water tank and receives messages from the sender. When activated, it intelligently controls and adjusts the level of energy flowing to your immersion heater, in line with the export levels as they rise and fall. One of our customers has a 16-panel solar PV system, with a 3.6 kilowatt inverter and a 4.8 kilowatt battery system. In April 2021, they exported 163 kilowatts back to the grid. That's a lot of wasted energy they've created using their solar PV. After speaking to the customer about this, and finding out more about their needs, we recommended installing an extra battery to store that surplus energy. The customer was happy with how their PV system was performing, and wanted to focus their attention on how to reduce their hot water bills. That's when we recommended installing an iBoost Plus. Instead of sending that surplus energy back to the grid, the iBoost Plus monitors the flow of electricity and detects any excess energy being exported. The iBoost Plus then activates and allows the excess energy to heat their hot water cylinder to provide hot water to the house. We estimated that based on their energy consumption, with a 3 kilowatt immersion heater taking 2 hours 30 minutes to heat the water, they will potentially be able to have up to 21 days of each month, using excess solar to power their immersion heater for free, instead of sending that excess energy back to the grid, and then buying it back again. Save power, save money, save the planet, with ESE Group.